Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create the app covers for your iPhone. Since the new update, the iOS 14, I recently created a video on how to customize and organize and tackle the iOS 14 basically. So I will have it linked down below and also somewhere on the screen for you guys to check it out. So I hope you enjoy it and let's get started on with the video. So to get started on with this video and to follow along, all you guys need to do is just go to picmonkey.com. It is a free version. I don't know what to call it. It's not like an application, but it's a free website basically. There is a premium option, but I just go with the basic, just regular option. For me, since I already have an account, this is what it looks like for me personally, where I have my thumbnails and stuff that I've already made. So PicMonkey really helps by providing a lot of blank canvas sizes. So for example, at the bottom right here, you can tell that all of these are blank things that you can use. So there's like Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, all this stuff that is just like perfect for, it just gives you the perfect size for things. So what you need to do first is just go to Instagram post. That is the site that is the size that we're going to be using for the app covers for your applications for your iPhone. So right here you can zoom in and zoom out. So right here, these are your options down here. I can also do a video about how I edit my thumbnails on here. I would love to do that as well. If you guys are interested, just feel free to give this video a thumbs up so that I know. To start off, PicMonkey really allows you to do a lot of things. So one thing you can do is just go to background color and you open the background palette right here and you go over here, this little wheel right here. It allows you just like go through the colors. You click and hold and just like move it around, let go, and then you see the color change at the bottom. So the color that I used for my background was this one, so you can easily copy this. This is the hashtag DC. That's kind of like the code name for that specific color. If you type this in your computer in the same space, then you'll get this color, this tan color that I used for my app covers. So you can just pick a random color. That is an option. Aside from picking a color, you can also like actually like create and or look up background images if that's what you want. Like if you already have a specific image that you want to create for your app cover. Like if I wanted this as my background for my app cover, I would just download this and I'll show you guys how to do this just in case. So we're gonna save image. We're gonna download to desktop, and we're just gonna go back here and we're gonna pull this on here to the drop image to add to current image, and you'll see it right here. So we can definitely make this our background. You just have to pull it and make sure that it's the same size so that it covers the whole background. Anything like this, you can look for Google, look for background images, anything specifically to what you want as your background. So this is how you do your background color. You either add a color, you add a shape, you can add a pattern that you find on Google, Pinterest, or whatever you want. You can also create your own. Totally up to you. So I just wanted my background this color. That is just my personal preference. On PicMonkey, you can do a lot of things. You can add text. This is how I did some of my app covers too. I wrote in the actual name of the app versus actually creating like an icon or photo for it or whatever, or image. So instead I just typed like messages for my messages, and you can change your text over here. Whatever it is, you can make it bold or you can change different ones. You can upload fonts as well. It really helps you just to like if you want to add a different font that it's not available or whatever it is. But you can definitely just type in something instead, but we're not going to be doing that. But you can definitely do that. You can add photos and anything like that as well. You can add them this way. I kind of just got used to downloading and pulling it to like on top of here, but you can definitely add a photo over here, and then there's graphics over here, which is super helpful. So for those of you that don't know, it's really hard sometimes to find like a PNG file in terms of like Instagram PNG file or like a Snapchat PNG file, it can be really hard. So what PicMonkey really helps out with is that they already have some app designs logos, if that makes sense. They already have the app logos, so that's why I've been gravitating towards them. So instead of searching up one myself, which can be kind of hard if you search up like, I don't know, TikTok logo PNG, you want to look for PNG and you want it to have a transparent background. Even if you look for one around here, it's going to be hard to actually really find one that is going to actually have a transparent background, and PicMonkey doesn't allow you to delete the background unless you are premium, which kind of sucks. So I really like how they are just like available over here. So if we go to social media, they have various different designs, but if you go to social media, you can simply just look through these and they have a bunch of apps covers or app designs, app logos I mean. So they have a lot of app logos, which is really cool. It's super helpful. They have different versions over here, as you can tell. Let's be honest, like the Facebook logo has changed so many times, and various other apps as well, so these are not entirely up to date. But for me, my own preference, it's totally fine for me to not have the most updated like Facebook logo on my app cover. So I definitely don't mind using any of these. So how I did it, for example, we can just do one. You pick it and then it'll appear right here. You can adjust it and just like make it bigger to fit in your square, because this is the square that you're gonna use for your app cover once you upload your image. And you can change the color right here. So in terms of me, I did white because I wanted this white onto brownish tannish color. That's kind of like the theme of my phone. So this is how I did it. And in terms of other ones, you can also just change more than just the inside of the color. So for example, this one for Twitter specifically, it has two different colors, so the bird and also the blue around it. And for that, in order to fit with my theme of colors, I wanted to make sure that they go along with the background and it doesn't like blend in. So I just kind of decided, let's see, I just went with like, I tried out like which one would be best to be the tan and which one would be best if it was white. So you just kind of have to play around with it to see how you like it. This one, for example, might be the best in terms of this Twitter logo specifically, just because the tan is in the middle and it's not on the outside where it's just blending in with the tan in the background. So it's totally up to you however and what colors you choose, but that's kind of the idea of it. You can literally do this with any logo. It's really cool. For Snapchat, as you can tell, has an extra color, which it has 3 colors because of the outline. So what you can do is just simply also adjust those. I forgot how exactly I did this one, but I'll pop an image somewhere in here. Basically same thing, just play around with the colors. If you want a different color theme, you can also do that. You can really just play around with it. So that's pretty much what I did for my app covers. And these are all your options right here. So that was a quick and easy way that you can create your app covers for your iPhone. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would really help me out. I would really appreciate it. And definitely leave a comment if you want to. I would love to hear from you guys. I love reading the comments. I always make sure to reply to every comment, so definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to talk with you guys down there. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Bye guys.